Okay, so the first thing that we will do is to make sure that all our drawings are layered in order for us to control them in the while we are working on our plan. So what I wanted you to do is to clean all your plans, make sure that they are all layered. So that's your first activity today. So lahat ng plan nyo from your plate, it needed to be layered or categorized. So here I have a new drawing, and then of course we'll have to set the units first. So you'll yan, so sa millimeters tayo, so we usually do our drawings in the actual practice in millimeters kasi yung mga discrepancies with measurements no compared to meters, no, parang it's more controllable kung nasa millimeters siya compared to your meters. Anyhow, ito yung gamit while practicing, so I have to use the millimeters as well. So set that in millimeter, then that. Okay, so I'll just show you that currently this is my layer, so 0 lang, wala siyang laman. So what I wanted was to get my previous layers to be imported here, so I won't have to do the layering again, no, hindi ko nagagawin na isa-isa. So I will go to ayun, papakita ko kung saan ko kukunin yung layer ko. So say I'll open na lang yung isang okay, I'll just open a drawing just to show you na if you have already set of layers, di mo na kailangan ulit-ulitin. So here I have my plan. So you see here in the layer, so meron na siyang column, door, furniture, fix, A-line, 8, and then step, wall hatch, wall 100, 150, and then all yan, A window, and then of course your deep points. Okay, so I wanted to use the same layers. I'm going to move all layers here in drawing 3. So what we usually do is to copy all the plan, no? So what happens when we copy? Yung mga black, sometimes will have the dollar sign when you copy them in your fresh drawings. So what we are going to do, so you type in your DC, so that's your design center. Then you'll have to open that drawing. Okay, so that's the plan right there. Open them, and then you'll go to your layers here on your DC. Okay, so you see here, ito yung mga ikakopy kong layers. So just drag that, and then copy that in your existing drawing. Ayan, so just close, and then you'll see I'm on my drawing 3 tab, ha. So let's just check yung layer niya. So you have your layers here already, so nakopy na niya. So you don't need to do the layering again and again. Okay, kasi may set of layers ka na. So much for that. So kunwari, nakagawa na ako ng aking plan. So just have to copy this na lang. Nalinisan ko na yung plan ko. And then, ayan. So say, I have my plan already na malinis. Okay, with all the layers. Okay. Ayan, so nandito na yung plan natin. So I want you to put your first point of the building, yung very first point ng access mo into 0, 0. So you'll have to type yung base natin, base, and then enter 0, 0, 0. Ayan. So nakaset na yung ating drawing. So you'll have to make a polyline, PL, and then at 0, 0, 0. Ayan. So yung 0, 0 is yung nandito. Okay. So you'll put that at 0, 0. Kunyari ito yung first point ko ng grid. So I'll just have to put that here. Ayun na lang. So, anong purpose why we are putting this at 0, 0, no? So, kapag nag-zoom ka, pupunta agad dun sa 0, 0 kasi the dilemma is that sometimes, no, dahil sa laki ng ating drawing area, so the tendency is for us to plan nasa gitna, nasa gilid, no? Para madaling mahanap yung drawing mo, you put that at 0, 0. And of course, no, I'll show you yung importance niyan when we do the printing already, itong 0, 0. Okay, so kapag may plan ka na, all are clean, meron ng layer, there are no extra layers there, no? So malinis na siya. You have to save that up. So you save that up, save, and then you'll put that, So I'm going to teach you also how to use the XREF para mas mabilis yung production nyo ng drawing ninyo. So let's save that up in our desktop. So you'll have to do this activity in all your plan, no? Make sure na they are layered. Okay. Dapat yung layering mo na ginamit mo from your first na drawing, kunyari yung sa admin, dapat yung layer din ng public areas o yung public toilet, ganun din yung gagamitin mo. Huwag yung kung ano-ano lang na layer. So let's just put that in a new folder. New folder, and then you'll have to save that as your XREF plan GF for your so say for your warehouse. Okay, ayan. So just do the same thing with the other plan, ha? So that's your first activity. And then the second one, okay, you need to make your grid layout, yung call out mo. So you set again your units at 0, 0. I mean millimeters. So don't forget your units every time you draw. So sometimes naka inches yan in default or by default. So you always have to choose the millimeters. Kasi yan pagka in-import mo yung drawing mo, bigla liliit dun sa screen mo because of your units na ginamit. So yan, you set your units, and then your base point, para hindi ka malito, your base point, that's 0, base point, 0, 0, 0, ayaw niya, PL, that's 0, 0. Ayan, so yan yung, remember that part in the plan? Ayan, so yan yung part niya, which is this part. Ayan, so you'll have to set your first grid dito, dapat tatama dun sa 0. Since I have my grid call out already, so I'll just have to get that na lang para mas mabilis itong lecture ko sa inyo. So I'll just grab saan na ba yun? Yung aking, it's taking so long. Naka Google Drive kasi yun. Okay, I'll just get my call out so you guys can see. Okay, yung gusto kong gawin ninyo with all your plan. What's that? Okay, I'll just open my, wala akong grid. Saan yung grid ko? Ayan, so I'll just have to get my grid. So, yan, kukunin ko na si... So, when you're doing your grid, so you put your section line and your elevation mark already on your grid. Parang meron ako na may grid na... Ay, ano ba yan? Wala naman ito.
Komplikado naman tinuturo mo nila.
Ay, ano na kasi sila, third year na. Ayan, so if you have your grid already right here, so ang comma 0 niya nandoon. Okay, let's just have that. I'll just grab this so you can see. Ayan, so I'll have my first point, nandito pa rin yung column niya. So my first point is at 0, 0, 0. So my first point ay this one kasi I think hindi yan. I think the other. Just like that. Then, you just have to save that grid. Ito, pwede mo na diling ilagay yung section line and then your elevation mark right here. Okay, so anong purpose nito? Why we are doing a series of drawings doon sa ating plan? Kasi, if you are going to XREF them, if you are going to use them, no, mas madali kung naka-XREF siya, you just have to attach or detach them pag hindi siya kailangan doon sa drawing mo. So, ang next na activity, di ba may plan na kayo, is to make your own grid callouts. No? Itong grid callouts nyo will be including yung poste nyo. You can put the poste in the plan already. Teka, ilagay ko. Ayan, so we have the, ayan, may poste na doon. So, saan ang grid natin? So, ito yung grid natin. So, ilagay mo na din pati yung section line and then the, ano ba yun? The elevation mark. Tingnan mo na ako kung elevation mark ako dito. Ayan. So, yung elevation mark ko dito. So, when you are doing your drawing, dapat laging malinis yan. So, just copy yung elevation mark ko rito. Kaya lang malaki pala ito kasi nakaset to ng... Okay, I'll just grab na lang just to show you. So, what I'm doing, I'm copying yung mga element natin, yung section 9, elevation mark. Okay, I'll have to put that in our drawing po. Here, ayan. So, ilalagay na rin natin to para all throughout your drawing, nandyan na siya. So, when you're arranging your drawing, so just make sure na hindi nag-overlap yung mga element mo. Okay, so we have that all set. Okay, yan. So, meron na tayong grid call out and then the elevation marks. So, just save that up again, Control S. Then, you go to your, kung saan mo siya nilagay. I think I put that in at the desktop. Bagong computer. Then, we'll name that XREF grid. Then, you save that up. Ayan, so meron na tayong plan. Then, we have as well yung ating grid. Okay, so we'll be needing your A3 sets na. Okay. Ayan, so we'll set a new drawing. Okay. For our A3 set. So, we'll go to layout. So, just make sure pa rin that your units is NMM. So, rule of the thumb na yan. So, when you open a drawing, always set your new units to millimeters. Ayan, then you go to your layout. Okay, and then, anong size ng A3 natin? So, punta mo na nga tayo sa base. 0, 0, 0. And then, zero at 0, 0. Ayan yung 0 point niya. So, you have to get your A3 size paper. So, what's your A3 size? Anong size ng A3, Dad? In millimeters. I just have to, tingnan ko lang yung A3. So, we have 297 and then 210, 420 and then 297. So, just have to type yung 297, and then 297, then yan, 420, 420. Ayan. So, ito yung A3 size natin. Okay. Ayan. So, page layout natin. Page layout manager. Then, you modify. Then, in here, you'll have to set already your printing output. So I'll have them at PDF first. So I can check pa before printing. So I have here your ISO code lead. Nakaano siya. And then I'm going to select my sige, monochrome muna. Okay, so that's my then you'll have your okay, so make sure na okay. Ayan, so we have here your A3 na I have my ayan yung sheets natin. I have already my A3. Okay, so I'll just get my A3 right here. So ito yung I'll just get my A3. May A3 na ako rito. I have my, ito. I'll just open. Ayan, so may A3 block na ako rito. So I'm going to get my A3. Now, provided you have this A3 sets, no, you can extract that already. So we'll have your A3 and then pag meron na kayong block na ganito, make sure yung 0,0 nandito when you make your say, kunin ko na nga lang. Okay, and then we'll put here. Ayan. So, we'll move this. Just make sure that this one is at 0,0. Ayan. Ayan. So, I'll just have to set this in bit points. Ayan. So, meron na tayong A3 black paper. Ayan, so we'll save that up again, Control S, and then we'll save that up in our drawing. So, tatlo na yung nagawa natin. We have our plan, we have our grid call out, and of course, we have our title block. Okay, just make sure na malinis siya, na walang mga extra layers, yung mga hindi ginagamit na layer, para hindi mag-pile up yung files ninyo kasi ay yung file weight ng drawing ninyo. Kasi pag mas mabigat, syempre, nahihirapan yung computer ninyo kagaya ng computer ko ngayon. So, yan. You'll have your A3 title block. Ayan. So, meron na tayong tatlo. We have our plan, we have our XREF, and then we have your title block. Okay, so we're going to make already our very first plate. I mean, yung first na drawing natin, which is the plan of the warehouse. Okay, by using yung tatlo nating element na yan. So, a new drawing ulit. So, we'll open a new drawing. Okay, and then you change the units to mm. Ayan, so in your layout, have your base at 0. Base at 0, 0, 0. Then you'll have your layout here. Okay. I-page set up na natin. Okay. Mag-auto ka during your eyes so full bleed, and then you'll have your monochrome, and then the layout. So, type lang natin yung size ulit nung sheet natin. 297 by 420. And then you'll have to set your layout. Ito mahalaga to, na nakaset na yung printing mo with your flat style here. Para pag mag-print ka na lang, mabilisan na lang. So you'll have your drawing to PDF, and that's in your full bleed. ISO full bleed na A3. I guess yan. And then you'll have your monochrome right here. And then, i-window ko nga muna para just to check yung so if it is fit to paper. Okay, so just have to put that up, layout. Ayan, so ito nakaset na siya. Then we'll have you press in your keyboard your XREF, so we'll put our title here. So just attach your drawing, attach, and then look for our drawing kanina. So we're going to insert your A3 block, A3 na title block. Wait lang, mabagal. So you'll have to put your on the desktop. Then you'll have your, ano ba dito? Yung folder natin. So you'll have to attach your, so when you're attaching, just put it in overlay. Kasi naka 0, 0 na yan. 0, 0, 0. So you'll have to put that right there. Saan napunta yung XREF ko? Where exactly is my XREF? Ano ba yung ayan?
Okay. Okay.
Where is my XREF? Nawala. Okay, wait lang. Nawala yung XREF ko. Hindi ko mahanap. Wait lang. Kamu, makita din na-reload ko dito eh. Nawala yung XREF ko.
Pero yung nag-birthday ka na kita na kanya. Yung tao na. Kaya manabsent ka. Birthday lang na nagbalbala.
Hindi, nagkaklase ako. Okay. Just have an excerpt right there, but it's already loaded, but I can't seem to find it. Ito nga, asan siya? I see. Okay, so let's just go back to our A3 title block. Hindi natin mailagay ito because it's in the layout. So supposedly that would be on your dito dapat dito sa ating, so move this at 0, 0, 0. PS 0, 0. And then there. Ayan, remove this. Ayan, so that's our title block. Kanina pala nasa layout ako dun sa title block natin. So we just have to set up. Ayan, yung ating ano. And then we'll try to detach again. Ayan, so ito na yung sheets natin ha. So we're preparing our sheets. So from, search ko muna para matanggal. Okay, so we have here your sheets already. Then we'll attach your drawing, which is your A3. Lalagay natin yung A3 natin. And then, just click on overlay. And then, ayan. So, nandyan na yung title block natin. Then, you'll have it. And in the model, you have to put your plan. So, let's attach your drawing. Diba, meron tayong, where is my, asan yung mga plan natin kanina? Itong X-Rep warehouse sa Kagri. Diyan ko nilagay. Warehouse. So, I have to save that up. Ba't di ko makita dun sa, okay, just have to save that up. Save as. And just put that in your new folder. Ayan. Ayan. So, yan. Yan. So, ito yung unang sheets natin. Okay. So, we'll attach in the model. You have to attach yung ating drawing na isa, which is your grid and your warehouse. Okay. Yan. So, nandun na yung grid. Yung plan natin, your grid, and then your plan. Okay, and then you go to your layout, nandyan na yung natin, yung A2 size set natin, then you'll have to scale that to 1:100, and then that's your plan. And then you'll have to put, of course, yung inyong annotations dito na sa loob ng display lock. Yes, and then you just have to put that in. Okay. So, we'll have a preview. Ayan. So, yan na yung sheets mo. Ano na. Okay. Ito kasi may sariling CTV. Ayan. Ayan. So, you see, it's all clean. Tapos, I have my own CTB, so you'll have to use yung sarili ninyo if you have one. Ito. Pwede yan i-edit, no? Based on color. So, yan, yung color 1 mo, so you choose if it is, your line weight will be if your color 2 is yellow, then it's larger. So, dito natin, inaayos yung line weighting. And then you just have to save that up. Tapos, lalabas na dito yung mga in-edit mo. Ayan. So, that's why we had our layering here. Ayan. Kasi ikaw ang magkocontrol based on your layering. Ayan. So, yan. LA. Ayan. So, dito may kukontrol. So, si yellow is yung based on what you use there in your flat style. Yung color niya. Okay. So, dito yung line weight lalabas based on the color. So, let's do that again. Ito, Ayan. So, ang nakaset dito, so if I'm going to change that, yan yung predefined namin. So, yung color 1, will be using a 0.07. Pagka yung purple, it's using a 0.2. So, kapag print yan, so yung lahat ng purple would be 0.2. Let's use the ayan. So, si purple ay 0.2. Yung plan natin. Ayan. So, depende dun sa color na ilalagay mo dun sa iyong flat style. So, that's it. So, clean all your drawing, categorize them, and then make your plan na malinis, then make your set of your extras, and then make your A3 title block. Pagka may A3 title block ka na, you can use that all over again. So, just have to save this up. Isi-save mo na siya. Then, you'll have to put that in your sheets. Ibig sabihin, ito na yung mga drawing mo. So, you'll have to put ground floor warehouse. And so, that's it. Tapos na. Okay, and then the annotation, di ba, ang problema ninyo is that when you make your drawing larger yung scale, so nag-iiba yung mga text nyo here. Okay, so we'll have that, yung annotative property niya in ibang session pa natin. So ito, just have to do your annotations here, dito sa labas, to make sure na lahat ng drawing mo is symmetrical, yung symmetrical o standard yung gagamitin ditong title, drawing title. So, I'll just grab one which I have na lang. Okay, okay. So, I have here my sheets already. Ayan. Ayan. So, kukuha na lang tayo right here, itong text na ito. Nasa layout siya ha. And then, we'll have to put that in and then we'll put here. Ayan. Ayan. So, dito ka mag-annotate dito sa labas ng layout, not in your model. Nandito dapat sa layout. Itong mga text mo to make sure na pare-parehas yung magagamit mong drawing title. So, that's for me and that's your activity today. So, I'll be checking your progress. You need to print a PDF of what you have done. So, just to make sure that your plans are properly layered. Okay, bye everyone.